This is just a bit of fun, if you're up for it. And don't worry, I'll guide you through this. All you got to do, I'm going to sing a line, and all you guys have got to do is just sing that line back to me. There's no pressure. That'd be absolutely awesome if you could do that. So let's have a little practice first. So I'll sing my line, and we can have a little practice, okay? So I'm going to go, I kick the habit, and you go, I kick the habit. That's it. I like it. Let's have another little go. I go, I kick the habit. Your turn. I kick the habit. I feel like we're kind of louder at the back. Is that because I can see you guys at the front? I can't see you, these lights are so bright. Alright, let's try it again, alright? I kick the habit. I kick the habit. That's more like it. Alright, cool. We're ready to learn another line? There's only one more to do. So after, I kick the habit. I kick the habit. That's it. Shed my skin. Shed my skin. Let's keep it going. I kick the habit. I kick the habit. Shed my skin. Shed my skin. You guys are sounding good. I kick the habit. I kick the habit. Shed my skin. Shed my skin. I kick the habit. I kick the habit. Shed my skin. Awesome, guys. Shed my skin. I kick the habit. I kick the habit. Shed my skin. Shed my skin. I kick the habit. I kick the habit. Shed my skin. Guys, thanks for helping me out. I appreciate that.